Dries Walker here again with another issue in one of our builds. This one, it's about whole house fans. When you build a home, an engineer comes up with a report of what you need to use to insulate the home, to enclose the envelope, and certain things about fans and HVAC balance. In this house, he recommended installing a whole house fan, and it was part of the plan in order to be approved by Los Angeles Department of Building and Safety. This one doesn't make much sense because, as you can see, first it looks bad, also it's high CFM, so it's gonna exhaust the air out of the house into the attic and push the hot air out of the attic through the openings. It's not that easy. Listen to this. When you turn it on, look at the noise. My ears popped because all the windows are closed. See how these things blow air into the attic at such a high speed that the air doesn't have a chance to get out of the vents outside, and I'm gonna shut this off. Oh, let me show the door. When you open the door, and you cannot even close the door because so much air coming in, you can just kick this door and the door is not gonna be closed because there's a spirit trying to come in. Oh no, it's just air. The house is so well sealed that, look, you cannot close the door. So you can have how strong this is blowing.
Let it go.
It's blown all over the place. Even whistles when you close the door. Can you hear it? This doesn't make sense. And all the cold air in your home is pushed into your attic. See? New green building rules. We have to do what the engineer is telling us to do, even if it doesn't make sense. But in this case, probably does. Let's turn it off because even your ears pop. Anyway, there are other things that also this causes. The air is pushed at such a force into the attic that openings, like on the side of the walls in here, look, dust is pushed into the house, back into the house, through the edges. This is all dust that when we build the walls, were left inside the walls from the drywallers sanding. And the only opening is at the base. Walls need to breathe in order to get rid of the moisture on the inside. So you have to have a little bit of air circulating through the walls to dry any water that condensates inside the walls. And if you seal this completely, the water will stay there. And you know what happened? Dry rot. And you're never gonna know there's dry rot inside the wall until it's too late. So there are certain building rules, the new building rules, that we will only find out that they are wrong years from now.